To make AI effective, you need to optimize a process. My name is Jack Hamade, and I'm the founder and creator of BizRise.io. Let me show you an example of how to optimize a process. This is a demonstration of my Skool community, the AI Factory. Let's say I want to start a Skool Games Community to monetize an online community about my skills, hobbies, or interests. Well, I can come in here and do the AI Community Assist. This will be on the homepage of BizRise.io. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a new Community Assist, and what I'm going to call it is the AI Factory. I'm going to do this example like I'm starting a Skool community. I already have this Skool community started. It is my free educational community. Make sure you join it. But it's going to give you an example of using AI to optimize a process to utilize it for an online business. All right. So the next step is to enter 3 of my skills for this community, which would be Flutter Flow AI powered web app development. Skill 2 would be developing Vertex AI agents as assistants to help me grow my online businesses. And skill 3, live stream teaching, coaching, and tutorials. Okay. So those are going to be the 3 skills, hobbies, or interests that I'm going to build this community around. Okay, there's some really amazing tech available. People just need to understand most of the time it's just about connecting the dots. And you are capable of doing this. You just got to understand where to go do it. Okay, this is a full web app. You're going to learn to build this exact process for that web app to create an online sustainable AI business for you. And you're going to be able to use this while we're building the web app. So it's going to give you a target market and a niche. We're going to click save and move on to the next one. This is going to be, all right, what are 3, issues or problems within your niche that can create opportunities? I'm going to say most people aren't aware of what tech is available to use. They don't have access to education and virtual classroom training and education, which the AI Factory, how to build a web app course, is what I'm going to be doing. And problem 3 is some people fear they won't understand the tech. That is a kid's toy. But some people fear they won't understand the tech. All right. And what this is doing is taking basically the information I'm giving it, going to Gemini and saying, hey, return me some opportunities from these problems that can create a business for me, creating a Skool community. So I'm going to click save, and we're going to move on to the next one. So this one, you're just going to list 3 YouTube channels, communities, or online courses you'd like. I'm obviously going to put mine in on the first one for YouTube. Make sure you follow me. So this will be, we'll go bizrise.io, the web app that I'm doing this on, that you're going to learn how to build. And yeah, heavy iron. The examples in some of the web app sections, it was late, but they're funny. I was doing them for a personal trainer. Let's click save channels and move on to the next one. Okay, from there, what am I doing well or what's working well for the AI Factory and BizRise.io right now? Video tutorials. What are we doing well? Free educational community. And we are doing some webinars that went pretty well. But I think I'm going to transition that over just to live streaming tutorials. Live streaming is just a little bit easier to get everything done. I mean, you just on a live stream, interact, and you're done. I mean, it's not anything fancy. You just fire up a live stream. So we're going to You know, the webinars have been good, but it's time, I think, to graduate on to something a little bit more, future forward. So it's going to give us, what's working and some suggestions to improve on that. We're going to click save. All right. Now we are going to value add. What am I going to bring to the table? One-on-one virtual tech consulting is available inside of the AI Factory. I'm going to do a free AI powered Skool Community Setup Assist. This is on the home page of BizRise.io. If you go there and do the AI powered Skool Community Assist, create a free account in BizRise.io, you're going to be able to access the Skool tab to see your plan. You can start a Skool community with an AI powered plan, very detailed, to start monetizing your skills, hobbies, or interests. All right. And value 3, live stream customer support, teaching, and tutorials. Like I said, live streams is easier to do these tutorials and do classroom settings. It really is. Now, for how to build a web app, that is going to be a private course. I'll either do that on a Google Meet, a Zoom, or on Discord. But let's click save there and move on to the next one. Because it's one thing, I think I've shown this to a few people, to do an AI powered community plan, but then what can I do with it after? And that's really kind of what we're going to go into tonight. So now I'm going to generate the rest of my Skool community plan. So the AI Factory, I'm going to be teaching how to live stream, how to build a no-code AI-powered web app on Flutterflow. That's going to be my main course starting on Friday. There's live stream. There's also Vertex AI agents in there, which you will learn in the how to build a no-code web app course, because that's just part of BizRise.io. So it's an asset that you're going to need to learn, and it's a very simple way to make AI very effective for your own agents, customer service, if you're writing marketing scripts, whatever you need to do. It's a simple way to do it. So we're going to knock that shit out too, because why not? And we are done. So we have our full generated plan. So let's go up to the top again. Target market. We have our niche for the AI Factory. We have problems that could be opportunities. What's working with some suggestions. I have a value add. Free offer ideas. I have pricing ideas. These are just suggestions. You're going to have to set your own pricing. How to create a sense of urgency. Bonus offer ideas. It's going to give me a course description and a course outline. And like I said, I already have the AI Factory set up and rolling, but I wanted to do an example of what BizRise.io is, because I thought that'd be a good way to demonstrate optimizing a process. If you're going to join my Skool community, this is how we optimize a process. This is what you're going to learn. Save and create an account. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to upload my community logo. I think I got something in the download. This is going to be on BizRise.io. Let's go. I don't think I have the AI Factory, so we'll just go BizRise.io logo. And I'm going to save that there. Monthly subscription for BizRise.io, ladies and gentlemen, $99. Okay. And the how to build a web app course, currently early registration enrollment discount, one-time payment, $4.99. I'm sorry, $4.97. And why is it so cheap? It's a 31-day course. Why is it so cheap? Well, two reasons. One, early enrollment, and two, my ask of anybody who enrolls in this course is two things. One, it's not going to be easy, so you can't give up after the first week. And two, I need people to be the trusted tester program of BizRise.io. It's live, it's functioning, but I want a trusted community where I can also have contact with to have feedback on the app. So I'll teach you how to build an app. We'll use the app. We'll make the app better together. And I got a cool surprise for that at the end. We're going to save that. Sometimes it takes a second when I'm live streaming. I got to check that button too. Maybe it's got to be the Boolean format. Yep, needs to be that right format. So I will put that on the box, but check this out. So now I have the AI factory, right? This is the community plan, the community assist that I've essentially put together, right? So I've shown that before, and really what BizRise.io can do as far as that goes, it's going to generate a plan for you. All right, but what do we do after that? I'm going to stop. Oh, cookie. So you get the generated plan, right? But what do you get after that? So I'm going to stop this recording and move on to the next one where it's going to be, all right, so now that I have my AI powered plan, what can I do with it? And the first thing I'm going to show you is some of the drag and drop stuff in BizRise.io, but the first thing I'm going to show you is the Vertex AI assistant that I created out of my generated plan for the AI factory, right? We're going to optimize everything.